All right, 7:21 p.m. August 11th, 2024, and this is the cicada report. As you can hear them off in the background. Not a lot of them, but enough to make a little bit of a noise. Nearing sunset, and I'm not sure what to make of this guy. Huh. Try to brighten this down. Go back to normal brightness. Ooh, you can see a different layer. Let's go. See the line of, it's like chem cloud covering the area, and it goes quite a ways, but you can see like the line of it. Ugh. All right, but there's your report. They're still out there. August 11th, 2024. God bless.